Let me show you how to get more search visibility using AI. Now, if you have a company and you want to grow your search visibility within Google search as well as AI searches, I'm going to show you how to do it using my partner SEMrush and their product SEMrush One. Now, all you need to do is go in the description down below and click on the link, and you'll be able to see it takes you immediately to an option to get a free trial for 7 days. You can try it out and see if you like it. Now, after you do sign up, you'll be able to see you immediately will go to semrush.com. And from here, let's go to the AI section by going on the left-hand side to AI visibility. And on here, we're going to go to visibility overview, the first option. Now, I'm just going to use a random nursery nearby here that I like as an example. So you can see I typed in plantdelights.com. You're just going to type in your company's website. Now, if you wanted to get insights on where you can do better in terms of search visibility, all you need to do is scroll down. You can see total AI visibility, mentions, cited pages. All of this is really helpful, but I want you to scroll down to topics and sources. Now you'll be able to see on here a number of different topics that your company is performing well on. So you can see various things like geraniums, you can see hostas, etc. I can scroll through here and open these up and see any of these where my brand performs really well. However, the most important thing is to get an idea of where there are missed opportunities to perform better in terms of searches. So you can go to topic opportunities here, and now it will pop up with some really great options. You can see on here AI volume. I can scroll down, and for instance, crepe myrtle and myrtle tree care is a really popular one at 275,000 searches. And on here, you can see various things like plants that do well under crepe myrtles. And you can hit the view full response. You'll be able to see what it says on here. And the most important are the sources. And in this case, these are sources that where your brand is not mentioned. You can see here, House, Plant Addicts, Reddit, Facebook, Monrovia, etc. And in this case, plantdelights.com does not show up. So these are great opportunities to expand your search, either within Google searches, but also Google AI overviews for ChatGPT, for Gemini, all of those different things. Basically, these are topics that would do great if you expanded on more information. You can see myrtle flowers here. Where can I buy crepe myrtles? You can see trees similar to crepe myrtles, but you can also go to these other ones as well. Amethyst rosebud and gardens. You can see where can I buy high quality amethyst redbud trees and garden gems, etc. Essentially, these are missed opportunities on all of these. Again, you can tap on the full response to see what other options or what other sources rather are popping up and essentially what it's saying about it. And you can start to build out websites, information, etc. in addition to your existing content to try to capture traffic or customers, etc. from those specific searches.